Hello. Hi kids. You remember Coach Aditya from both CrossFit? And you know what we're doing? It's a Monday. 10 o'clock in the morning. What do we do on 10 o'clock in the morning? We do CrossFit, right? For CrossFit for kids. And do you see what's there written on my shirt? It's written Workout Corona. So it means that even if there is the coronavirus and everything is closed and everything is not so good and happy, but still you can do whatever you can do. You have to try your best and be very strong and fit, as good as you can, as fit as you can be, right? So that is why it is written workout corona. तो अभी हम workout we will do workout corona. Okay, we'll do workout. So I can see so many people joining in. It's a Monday morning. It's a fun-filled Monday morning. Today is 18th of May. And just 1 week, after 1 week, you will have your summer vacations. है ना, kids of 6th Element School? So let's get started with the warm-up. Today we'll do a few new movements. I'll teach you a new skill today, okay? But first, the warm-up. Okay. So for warm-up, I want everyone jog on the spot. Everyone jogging on the spot. You know how to do the jogging on the spot part, right? Jog on the spot, everyone. Let me see. Move your hands, move your legs. Come on. You remember we had done skater lunges before? Can we do this? So you have to take one leg back and then the other leg back. And can you do it a little fast today? Back, back, across, as in not just back. Back and across. And then back and across, like this, okay? Like this, this. Very good. Jogging again, jogging everyone, jogging. Okay, jump. First you have to jump very easy and slow, okay? Jump very easy and slow. When I say you have to jump higher, then you have to jump higher, okay? Abhi keep jumping slow and little higher. Come on kids, let me see, can you jump a little higher? Now I want you to jump so high, try and touch the ceiling, okay? Jump. Slow. And one big jump. Slow. Big jump. Slow. Try and touch the ceiling, guys. Come on, kids. Do it more up. Come on. Touch the ceiling. Alright, relax. Well done. So many people have joined in. Rhea, Vanya, Rishika, Anya. Okay, so good everyone. Let's go. Next we're doing some stretch walk. Okay, how do you do stretch walk? First, everyone has to walk on their toes. So you have to lift your heel up, keep your hands up and walk on your toes. Come on everyone, walk on your toes. And turn, keep walking on your toes, kids. Okay, can you walk on your heel? Like lift your toe up like this and walk on your heel and keep your hands on your hip. Look forward, keep your chest forward. Can you see what's written on my shirt? So I should also be, don't bend like this. Keep your body straight. Look at my toes, your toes should point up. Walk forward, walk back also. Okay, now you have to do lunge walks, okay? So you have to do lunges and walk also. I'll just show you how to do that. So keep your both hands up, one leg forward, sit down and stand up. Other leg forward, sit down and stand up. One leg forward, sit down, stand up. Then you can turn, one leg forward, sit down, stand up. Other leg forward, down and up. Do it nicely, come on. Very good. Now we will quickly do pendulum swings, okay, and leg kick-ups, okay. So 10 pendulum swings and 10 leg kick-ups, alternate, okay, alternate toe touches. You can also pendulum swings, keep your hands on your hip, and like this you have to lift your legs up fast, okay. Chalo, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, front leg kick-ups. You have to kick up and touch your toe. 1, then other leg 2, then other leg 3, and then 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So many more people have joined in. Very good, everyone. Alright. So after leg kick-ups, we just do some squats and then we'll start the workout, okay? Squat, everyone remembers, you have to stand with your legs a little bit apart. How much apart? If you keep your hands on your pockets, not inside your pocket like this, above your pocket, like here on your hip, okay? If you keep your hands on your pockets, your legs should be just under your hands. Let me see, everyone, are your legs just under your hands? And look at my elbows, not forward like this. Stand straight like a superhero, you remember? Now you have to push your pocket a little back. Push your pocket back. And look at your knees. Your knees should also be going out like this, okay? Again, see? Push your pocket a little bit back and down and stand up, okay? Can we do it 5 times? Push your pocket back, down and up. Back, down and up. Back, down and up. But look forward. Are you able to see what's there on my t-shirt? It's written workout Corona. So you should be able to see this, okay? Like I should also be able to see your t-shirt. Back, down. Are you able to see my chest is so up? Alright, very good. A small water break, only 2 sips of water, and then we will start with the workout. Okay, kids? So the first thing that you have to learn today, you remember last time we had done something with the bottle. Is everyone having a bottle? We need a bottle, kids. Make sure that the cap of your bottle is tied tightly, okay, so that water does not leak. Okay, so you remember last time we had learned how to do a snatch, like the bottle was just between your legs, not in front also, not behind also, just between your legs. You have to keep your hands on your knees like this. You have to maintain a straight back. Then touch the bottle, hold the bottle, stand up, and then zip your jacket. You remember? So we have to do a very same thing, not the snatch this time, okay? You have to follow one by one. Alright, so we are learning a movement which is called the clean and press. And it's the best movement, it's so much fun to learn, okay? So I'll teach you. Keep the bottle just between your feet like this, okay? And what you have to do, you have to keep your both hands on your legs, on your knees. And stand straight so that whatever is written on your t-shirt should be visible to the person who's in front of you, okay? Now let your one hand go forward, with the other hand hold the bottle and just stand up. Again, keep it down. Keep your both hands on your knees. Your other hand forward. Hold the bottle with the other hand. Stand up and down. That's the way you pick something up from the ground, okay? So now you don't have to keep your hands on your knees, but you have to push your hips a little bit back. Show me your t-shirt. One hand forward. Hold the bottle, okay? And stand up. Now you remember what we had done last time? Suppose, imagine you're wearing a jacket which has a zip, okay? So you have to imagine that you are pulling the zip of your jacket like this. Okay, so the second step is the same. So you have to hold the bottle, stand up, zip your jacket. Okay, can we do this 5 times? Then change hand, hold it with the other hand, touch it down. I should be able to see your shirt. Stand up and zip your jacket. Okay, now with the other hand, down, stand up, zip your jacket. Very good. Again down, stand up, zip your jacket. Very good. Next, what you have to do? After you stand up, after you zip your jacket, next you just have to bring your elbow forward. Okay? You remember we had done thrusters where I said your elbow is like a torch. So like that only. You have to stand up, zip your jacket and bring it forward like this. So like your elbow is like a torch. Okay? Like pull, zip your jacket and then bring your bottle on your shoulder. You have to keep the bottle on your shoulder. Okay? And keep your elbow high. Can we do it 5 times? So the bottle is there between your legs. You have to bend down forward, but everyone should be able to, I should be able to see what's there on your shirt. What's on my shirt? It's written Workout Corona by Ward Armor. So you have to hold this, stand up, pull and on your shoulder. Keep the bottle on your shoulder like this, okay? This position. Look at my elbow pointing straight. Okay, then with the other hand, touch down, stand up, zip and bottle on your shoulder. Okay? Now other hand again. Touch down, stand up, zip and bottle on your shoulder. After this, you just have to press it up. Okay? Bring it down and then change hand. Down, stand up, zip and bottle on your shoulder. Like this. Then just press it up like this. Straight overhead. That's called clean and press. Okay? Do you want me to do this again? Let's do it again. Everyone, ready? Keep your bottle down. Okay, come near your bottle. The bottle is between your feet. You have to bend forward. Keep your hands on your knees so that you have a proper position of your spine straight back. Okay? Okay. Hands on your knees. One hand forward with the other hand. Grab the bottle. Up. Pull. And shoulders. Then push it up. That's clean and press. Then you change hand. Hand down again. Stand up, pull and keep it on your shoulder and press. We will do this in the workout also. But first, you know what is the workout today? I will just share the workout, okay? And it's going to be fun. Okay. Everyone wants a water break? I want a water break. I'll take 1 sip of water. Okay. So the workout we're doing now, it's called the Tabata. And what you have to do for 4 minutes, you have to keep repeating this thing. For 20 seconds you have to do something, 10 seconds work and then 20 seconds something else. I'll tell you what to do. The first round you have to do beast walk. And then you have to do snail walk. 20 seconds beast walk, 20 seconds snail walk. In between you get 10 second rest, okay? And then you have to keep repeating it for 4 times. Okay kids? So I will do it. You just have to see what I am doing and you have to repeat it. Okay. So I'll show you what to do. You have to sit like this on your all fours. You say it all fours now because both your knees are down, both your hands are down. Then you have to lift your both knees up and start walking like this. Forward and back. But don't lift your knee so much up. Lift your knee only a little bit up, okay? This is first and the second one is snail walk. Like this. You have to walk with your feet, with your toes. Can you see it? I'll just show it to you from another angle so that you can see it more nicely. Okay, now can you see it? So, you have to sit down like this. Then lift your legs up and walk forward. Bring your toes forward, lift your leg up and walk forward. Okay? This is the funnest thing, the most fun thing that I have done in animal walks. This is called the snail walk, okay? So you have to do bear walk and snail walk. Beast walk and snail walk. So if everyone is ready, let's start. Here we go. Are you ready, everyone? Are you ready, kids? Adisha and Advita there. Hi, good morning. Hanika is there. Aditya sir. Okay.
Here we go with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1.
Don't lift your knee so much. Lift your knee only this much. Only this much. Okay?
3, 2, 1, stop!
Okay, rest everyone. Stop. Everyone stop. Now this is rest, okay? And then we will do snail walk.
2, 1, go!
Okay, snail walk. Is everyone doing it nicely? Do it slow. You don't have to do it very fast, okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Okay, stop. This is rest. Next we'll again do the bear walk, the same thing again, okay? Can we do it?
2, 1, go!
Let's go, kids. Lift your both knees up and start walking. Slow and steady wins the race, no? Slow and steady wins. You can walk back also. Okay, stop. Everyone has to stop. Next, remember what we have to do? The snail walk.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 4.
Come on, everyone. Okay, rest. How much have we done? Have we done 4 rounds?
3, 2, 1,
Let's go, kids. Come on. Lift your knee up. Walk slow. Then walk back also. Okay, rest, everyone, rest. Just little bit more left, okay?
4, 3, 2, 1,
go! Come on, kids.
Round 6.
Do it nicely and slowly, don't do fast.
1, stop!
Have you ever seen a snail walk very fast? No, no. Snails walk really very slow, so you also have to walk very slow.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go, everyone. Chalo, bear
Round
walk.
7.
Beast walk. Okay. One last time. The snail walk. Okay.
5, 4,
And then this workout is
3,
finished.
2, 1,
Then we do something
go!
else. Okay. Come on, kids.
Round 8.
Okay. Very nice. Turn around.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. That was good. That was nice. Did you enjoy it? Did you like it, kids? Okay. You know what we're doing as a second workout today? What we've just learned. We had learned clean and press. So now it's time to do that in the workout also. And alternate, like once we will do clean and press for 20 seconds, then 10 seconds rest. And then 20 seconds we have to do broad jumps. You remember we had done broad jumps earlier? I'll just show you how to do the broad jumps. So you have to keep your legs a little bit wide, like this, little bit wide. Jump forward, then turn around, jump. Okay? So you do broad jumps like that. So jump, and then you have to turn around and jump again. Okay, is everyone ready? So again, you need one water bottle, because you have to do clean and press. What you had done in the some time back. Remember, bottle between your legs, hold the bottle, stand up, pull, and keep it on your shoulder, press. But you don't have to do it very fast. You have to follow my instructions, okay? Whatever I am saying, you have to do that only, okay? So if you are ready, we can start. Are we ready, kids?
Welcome to Tabata.
Let's do.
Here we go in 5,
Bottle on the floor.
3, 2,
Hands.
1, go!
Hold the bottle. Stand up, pull, and on your shoulder, press. Then other hand, touch down, stand up, lift your jacket, and on your shoulder, press. Okay, very good. Again, other hand.
3,
Now change hand.
1, stop!
Okay, this is rest now, rest. Now you have to do broad jumps. Ready,
3,
go!
2, 1, go!
Go! Jump! Then turn.
Round 2.
Let's do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Rest. Again, where's your bottle? Hold your bottle, guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
Touch down, pull, and shoulder press. With the other hand down, I should be able to see your shirt. Shoulder and up. Very good. Zip your jacket every time, okay? Zip and up. Show me your shirt.
3, 2, 1,
And up.
stop!
Very good. Again, let's do broad jumps. Come on, kids. So much fun.
3, 2, 1,
Go,
go!
on.
Round 1.
Okay. Little bit rest. Again, clean and press.
3, 2,
Are we ready, guys?
1, go!
Touch this on the floor.
Round
Pull your
5.
jacket, shoulder, and press. With the other hand, touch. I should be able to see your shirt, jacket, on your shoulder and up. Come on, do it. Keep move your hand close to the body. Zip your jacket.
Stop!
Very good. Let's do the broad jumps again.
Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Round 6.
Use your hands also when you jump like this, okay? One last round. Can I see everyone do it perfectly this time, the clean and press?
3, 2, 1, go!
Look at my shirt, zip and press. Look at my shirt, zip and press. Other hand, move your hand close to your shirt. Zip every time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Okay. One last time, broad jumps.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, jump, jump, turn around, jump.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, well done, kids. Very well done. Now you know what you have to do.
It's about
Okay, can you drink some water? You remember last time we done something which is called the thrusters? You don't remember probably. You must have forgotten. So, what I want you to do is, you have to keep your bottle on your shoulder like this. And remember I told you your elbow is like a torch and you have to point it forward. Okay? So like this. Proper squat position, little bit legs apart. You don't have to lift your heel up. You remember why? Because your heel, there is a magnet in your heel. You have to imagine. And the floor is made of iron. So that you cannot lift your heel up like this. When you sit down also, you have to stick this to the floor. Okay? Now you have to keep your elbow pointing forward. You have to squat down, stand up and press. Then change other hand, elbow forward, okay? And push your pocket back, down, up and press, okay? That's how we do the thrusters. That is the first movement. The second movement is the burpees. And we all love burpees, no? Don't you love burpees? Burpee means simply lying down, getting up and clap. So are we ready to do this? Come on kids, let's go. Is
Here
everyone
we go
ready?
with 5,
Bottle, ready
4,
bottles with your bottle
3,
everyone.
2,
Elbow
1,
pointing
go!
forward. Squat down, up and press. Then change hand. Elbow forward, squat down, up and press. Okay, again. Squat down with your, don't lift your heel up. Squat down, up and press. When you squat down at the bottom of the squat, be very strong, okay? Okay, burpees. It's time for burpees. It's the most fun thing ever. The burpees are the
3,
best.
2, 1, go!
Let's do it. That's right. You can do it at your pace. You don't have to do it with me. You can do it fast also. You can do it slow also. Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Well done. So that is one round. You have to do 4 rounds. 3 more rounds to go. Ready with your bottle, everyone.
3, 2, 1, go!
Elbows are touch. Down, up, and press. Change hands. Elbows are touch. Down, up, and press. Don't let your torch go down. Torch up, okay? Like this. Okay? Together you go.
3,
Round up and
1,
press.
stop!
Well done, kids. Well done. Sixth element kids are the best, huh? Super
3,
strong.
2,
No
1,
burpees.
go! Round 4.
Come on, kids. Okay, stop. So we are done half of this workout. 2 rounds done, 2 rounds are left. Can we do it again? Elbows.
2, 1,
Point
go!
forward. Don't lift your heel up. Okay, look at the heel. Down, up, and press. Other hand down. Come up and then press. Okay. First you have to stand up and press. One other hand. Stand up and press. Time for burpees. Go. Let's do burpees, guys. Kids, come on.
Go! Round 6.
Okay, you know what? The last round should be the best round, okay? And this is the last round. Make it the best round, okay? Elbow going forward, down, up and press. Other hand down, up and press. Other hand down, press. Down, up, and press. Elbows, look at my elbows, guys.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Very good. One last round of burpees.
5,
And then the workout for the day is over.
3,
Then you can rest and eat also.
go. Round 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's over, finally. So the workout for the day is done. And did you all do it nicely? Okay, I should clap for all of you. All of you have done really well today. It was very tiring today, no? Are you tired? Write down below in the comment section if you're tired. And if you want to just see if you're doing the clean and press right, then you can maybe send us a video and we can check if you're doing it right or wrong. Hai na? Okay, so now we'll do some stretching, some cool down. I want everyone to sit down with your legs straight and just move your legs like this, down and up. Can you see my legs? I'm moving it down and up like this. Okay, now keep your knees a little bit bent. And can you shake your legs? Look at my legs, how I'm shaking them. You have to shake your legs like this. Can you shake your legs? This is cool down, this is relaxation. This is very important because you've done a very difficult workout today. Okay, now what I want you to do is cross one leg like this, okay? One leg is straight, one leg is cross. Keep it on your knee, okay? Just above your knee. And bend forward. Let me see if you can touch your toe. Touch your toe, everyone. Now can you touch your chin on your knee? But you have to look forward. Okay, don't look down. Look forward. Look at the camera, everyone. Do it. Bend more forward. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay. The other leg. Cross it. Keep it above your knee like this. Can you see it? Like this. Hold your toe, everyone, and bend more forward. Bend more forward. All right, very good. Super strong, kids. Do you know what is the bow pose? Do you know what you call bow pose in Hindi? In yoga, you do it. It's called the Dhanurasana. Okay. So we'll just see how to do the Dhanurasana. We are almost done. We'll just take 1 more minute to finish, okay? So you have to lie down on your tummy. You have to bend your both knees. You have to hold your both knees. And you have to pull it up like this. So do you see your knees also will go up and your shoulders will also go up. If you can't do it by yourself, you can ask your mama, papa or someone to help you how to do this, okay? You want me to show it to you again? Okay, I'll show it to you again. So you have to lie down, bend your knees, hold your legs, hold your toes or hold your ankle and pull yourself up like this. Alright, in the end, our most favorite cool down work, the rolling on the back. Roll and sit up, roll and sit up. Keep doing it, kids. If you're done 10 times, then you can stop. Otherwise, keep doing it. And myself, Coach Aditya from Both CrossFit. And why am I here? To make the kids of 6th Element do CrossFit. Why CrossFit? Because it builds your strength, speed, stamina, And what else? Flexibility, balance, so many things. And you know what is the most important? It builds your immunity, which is very important for everyone. Not only for kids, for big people also. You can tell them also that, like mama, papa, or uncle, or anyone, then you should also do workouts. Okay? So I'm saying goodbye to everyone today. I'll see you again on Wednesday. Eat healthy and do your workouts every day. And also one thing, that don't eat ice cream, no cold drinks, and no sweets. Drink fruit juices or nimbu pani if you want to drink something cold and nice and tasty. No cold drinks and no ice creams also. Okay? Bye everyone. Take care.